In this video, we're going to be diving into the world of negotiable instruments. And so we're going to focus specifically on this concept of negotiability as well as its key requirements. So let's get started. The first thing we want to talk about is what is negotiability? Now, in the world of finance and commerce, negotiability refers to the transferability of certain written promises or orders to pay a sum of money. Now, the first requirement of negotiability is what's called clarity. Now, the first requirement of negotiability is clarity and unconditional promise. For an instrument to be negotiable, the language must be clear, and the promise to pay must be within conditions or contingencies. This ensures a straightforward and a reliable transaction. The second requirement is the instrument must specify a fixed sum of money. So whether it is a check, promissory note, or any other negotiable instrument, the amount should be clearly stated. This clarity prevents ambiguity and confusion regarding the transaction. The third requirement is the instrument must be payable either on demand or at a definite time. So this means that it should either be immediately payable upon presentation or have a specified maturity date. Doing so allows for a little bit of flexibility to cater to some different financial transaction needs. The fourth requirement is the instrument should be payable to order or bearer. Now, and that sounds a little confusing. In simple terms, it should be clear whether the payment is intended for a specific person or to anyone who holds the instrument. So this feature adds a little bit of versatility with regards to negotiable instruments. Now, the fifth and final requirement is that the instrument should contain no other undertakings or instructions. What this means is that no additional conditions or confusing language should be included that might hinder the straightforward transfer of the instrument. And those are the core requirements of negotiability. Now, understanding these elements really helps you navigate the world of negotiable instruments, and I hope you found the information to be helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.